Yesterday on the internet, I saw this super duper woodworking trick where a guy claimed you could easily cut curved boards by stacking them together and using a metal shim to align everything with a curved fence. Honestly, it didn't look very realistic to me. So, of course, I decided to test it myself and give you my honest opinion. The idea is simple. These wooden slats are supposed to be cut so they perfectly match the curve of this guide board. I grabbed a big metal shim, followed the online instructions, and traced the line using the shim. Then I cut the boards with my jigsaw. And voila! Exactly what I expected. Another internet myth. So now let me show you a much easier and faster way to do this properly. First, clamp your boards firmly together. Then place your curved fence right on top and simply trace the shape directly onto the wood. Use the fence as your guide. That's it. No shims, no guessing, no nonsense. Just accurate lines and clean cuts every time.